हेलो फ्रेंड। स्टैंडर्ड 11 में पी सब्जेक्ट में सॉफ्टबॉल का चैप्टर चल रहा है और इस आज वो चैप्टर पूरा होने जा रहा है। तो जो बाकी की डिटेल है वो आप लोगों को मैं यहाँ पर बता रहा हूँ। साथ साथ इसके एमसीक्यू के आंसर भी लास्ट में आ जाते हैं, तो वो भी आपकी नोटबुक में नोट डाउन कर लेना और आगे के चैप्टर के मैं बाद में दे दूँगा। हम पॉइंट नंबर 6 पर आए थे, पेज नंबर 84 पर, कि रूल ऑफ पिचिंग। पिचिंग का रूल क्या है? तो कोई भी पिचर्स अपनी पिचिंग एरिया जो है वहीं से बॉल डालेगा और 1 मिनट टू 10 सेकंड उसको बॉल हाथ में लेके वेट करना है। फिर बाद में हाथ को गोल घुमा के अंडर आर्म थ्रो करना है और वो थ्रो किया हुआ बॉल बैट्समैन की ओर जाना चाहिए और उसके शोल्डर और नी के बीच में बॉल जाना चाहिए। सेकंड है, पिचर शैल नॉट पिच द बॉल इफ कैचर इज नॉट कैचर बॉक्स। कैचर बॉक्स में कैचर होना जरूरी है। थर्ड, पिचिंग बॉल मस्ट पास ओवर होम प्लेट and between the knees and shoulder or better than it is caught count as correct ball or strike otherwise it shall be ball. Pitcher while pitching shall not allow by bandage, sticker, adhesive or greasy substance on the hand or a finger. The delivery must be underhand motion with hand below the hip and wrist shall not further from the body than the elbow. 6. When the batter takes his position is batter box and home plate, umpire shall declare play, then only pitcher shall deliver the pitching. 7. Pitcher shall not throw the ball the base after he shall take the position on the pitching plate. 8. When game is stopped for any reason and pitcher shall pitch the ball, it shall not count the pitching. 9. Which delivery pitcher loses the ball from his hand, then the base runner can move the next base on his responsibility. 10. In the opinion of the manager or coach, if pitcher is not performing correct delivery, he can request the plate official to change the pitcher. 11. Before start the inning or any time during the game, the team wants to change the pitchers, then game shall be discontinued. Change the pitcher shall be completed within 1 minute. नंबर 7 पॉइंट आता है द रूल्स ऑफ बैटिंग। तो बैटिंग के रूल्स क्या है? द बैटिंग ऑर्डर तो कैच ईच टीम मस्ट बी अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्कोर शीट, लाइनअप शीट जो होती है वो। बैटर शैल एंटर द बैटर बॉक्स विच स्टैंडर्ड बैट ओनली। बैटर शैल टेक पोजिशन इन बैटर बॉक्स फॉर बैटिंग। बैटर शैल टेक 1 step forward without touching the home plate. Number 5. While fielding, catcher or fielder shall not throw the ball but shall not hit the ball. When pitcher had delivered incorrect ball or foul ball, then batter cannot hit. When correct ball is delivered, then only batter should hit the ball. Point number 9. In the following situation, batter shall not be out. 1. If incorrect ball shall hit and batter shall run. 2. Ball is declared incorrect ball. 3rd. If throwing ball is stopped by manager or coach. 4. If home plate umpire shall not obstruct the ball. 5. The batter shall miss the ball to hit and touch it to his any part of body. 6. Because of the obstruction is a batter or base runner shall call back to his position. Oral point number 10, in the following situation batter shall be out. Out कब माना जाता है? तो एक, batter shall not enter the batter box within a minute after a call by umpire. 2, if fielder catches this ball which is not a foul tip, if there is strike or strike or over. 4, if ball shall beat batter and ball shall reach to first base runner before batter reach to first base. 5, if ball hit by batter and ball shall catch by any fielder while hitting the ball if he leaves the box. 11, point number 11, rule of runner out. A fair bat, ball caught and base player leave the base. 2, if ball shall hit by batter and ball shall reach the first base player before batter reach to first base. 3rd, while running towards the base, if he is the ball put initially. If ball reach to first base runner before batter reach to base. 5, batter shall not touch the base. 6, if hitted ball the caught and base runner does not return back to their original base and in between he touched the ball. 7, base runner shall run before pitcher pitches the ball. 8, if batter runs ahead of the base runner. 9, in motion in runner after the touching the base goes forward, he shall not declare out, but he further want to run towards second base, then he shall touch the first base. इसके बाद आता है नो बॉल और फाउल बॉल. No ball shall be declared is pitching ball should not pass over the home plate above the shoulder, below the knees, touches the ground before the reach to batter if he leaves the pitching plate while ball delivered from the pitcher's hand. Foul ball. Hit ball goes out of ground. Hit ball after touching first and third base and goes out of ground. Hit ball touch the officials or player who are outside the ground. Dead ball. Dead ball when the ball is bat illegally. When pitcher shall be ready for pitching and batter shall leave the batter box. When not pitched is declared. When pitch ball touches any part of batter boy or clothing, hit the ball goes to foul zone. Before pitcher pitching the ball, baseman starts running, he shall be declared out. और लास्ट पॉइंट 13 नंबर का है स्कोरिंग रन. 1 run shall be scored each time runner legally touch first, second and third base and home plate before the third batter shall declare out of the inning. Or if batter being forced to run toward first base and first base runner has to run forward and he is without touching the next base run forward shall be declared out. तो यहाँ पर आपका चैप्टर पूरा होता है और इनके MCQ जो है वो मैंने ग्रीन डॉट लगाए हुए तो वो देख लेना. थैंक यू. लिख भी लेना.